Hello learners, my name is Adnan and welcome back to another session in the SQL interview preparatory course by Data Science. So now without wasting any time, let's move to today's question. So the question is, write an SQL query that identifies athletes who have won medals in at least 3 different sports, along with the sports they participated in and the name of the medal they won. So the question is very simple. The question had asked to identify those athletes who have won medal in at least 3 different distinct sports, along with the sports they have participated in, and also we have to write the number of medals or the name of the medals they won. So now without wasting any time, let's move to the steps involved in solving this particular SQL question. So first of all, what we will do, we will write the basic command to print the table. We will write select everything from the table name, and the table name is Olympics. So now you can see the entire Olympics table is in front of us. We have the common columns like result ID, athlete name, the country they belong, the sports, event name, medals, their total score, and the date of the event. So now let's move to the second step. So in the second step, what we will do, we will concatenate the distinct sports each athlete has participated in, and we will order that alphabetically. Then what we will do, we will concatenate the medals each athlete has won in the sports, and also we will order that in alphabetical order. For both the concatenation, what we will do, we will write group concat distinct sports, and what we will do, we will order by on the basis of sports. So in this particular way, we will got the details of the sports, and for the medals, what we will do, we will write group concat medals in sports, and what we will do, order by sports as medals. In this particular way, we got the details of the sports and the medals. Now the third step is, we will group the data on the basis of athletes. We are grouping the results by athlete names. And the last step is, we will give the condition, and to give the condition we will use having clause, having count distincts greater than equal to 3, because this is the ask of the question. Now let's move to the SQL workbench for the practical solution of this question. So now, as we are in our MySQL workbench, let's start writing the query. Our query goes like, select everything from the table name, and the name of the table is Olympics. Let me zoom this. Now let's print the table. The entire Olympics table is in front of us. Now what we will do, we will just put a comma here, and then we will write the first condition. The first column name is the count of the distinct sports. Let me write this, count of the distinct sports as, we'll give an alias as sports num. Okay, then we will move to the second column. The second column is group concat. Group concat, we will open the bracket and close this, and then what we will write distinct sport, because we want the detail of the distinct sports. Distinct sport order by sports. Okay, then we will give the alias as sports. Now let's move to the third column. We will just copy this group concat. Then what we will do, we will just write distinct medal order by sports. We'll just copy this out and remove sports with medals. And then we will close this as medal. So what we will do, we will just remove this asterisk and write athlete name. Okay, then the last step is using group by function on the common column athlete name, and lastly we will put the condition having having sports num is greater than equal to 3, as this is the ask of the question, greater than equal to 3. Now let's run this query and see the output. There is an error in the query. Let me check. Unknown column sports. Okay, so here is the spelling error. Now let's run the query. Wonderful. Now just run the query and you can see we got the expected results. We have John Doe, we have Maria Garrick, and we also have Akira Tanaka with the sports number, which is 333, as this is the condition, and we have the sports name with us with their middle name. And in this particular way, we can solve these type of particular SQL interview questions. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected with DataSense for more amazing content on data.